Flamingos are fascinating birds known for their striking pink plumage and unique behaviors. Found in various parts of the world, including Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Europe, these graceful birds are often associated with tropical and subtropical habitats. One of the most remarkable features of flamingos is their distinctive feeding behavior. They use their specialized bills to filter small organisms like algae, plankton, and crustaceans from the water, thanks to the tiny structures called lamellae. Flamingos are highly social creatures and often gather in large flocks, where they engage in synchronized movements and vocalizations. During the breeding season, these gatherings become even more elaborate as flamingos perform intricate courtship rituals to attract mates. Despite their elegant appearance, flamingos are well adapted to their environments and play essential roles in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems.